Hello, welcome to DeRosa Automotive. We've got a great question for you. When you go for an oil change, do they take your tires off? Do they look at brakes, hoses, suspension? Really go through the car and let you know about what's going on with your vehicle. That's what we do here at DeRosa Automotive. When you come for regular service, we're going to make sure that you know what you need to know about your vehicle to keep you safe on the road. So when you're ready for your next automotive service, oil change, or bigger issue to solve, give us a call at DeRosa Automotive or request an appointment online.